Unlocking the brain's secrets.
Artificial intelligence is transforming how we understand the human brain. By analyzing vast amounts of neural data, AI helps scientists interpret the complex electrical signals produced by our brains. This leap in technology is opening new doors for research, medicine, and the potential to communicate with the mind in ways that once seemed impossible.
How AI reads brain activity.
Machine learning algorithms can detect patterns hidden within neural signals. By training on data from brain scans or electrodes, AI learns to recognize which signals correspond to thoughts, movements, or sensory input. This deep analysis power means AI can identify brain activity far more accurately than traditional techniques.
Restoring communication with thought.
For people who have lost the ability to speak or move, AI offers new hope. Brain-computer interfaces, using machine learning, can translate activity in specific brain regions into words or actions. This allows people with paralysis or speech loss to communicate by simply thinking, showing the practical impact of decoding neural signals.
Breakthroughs in medical research.
AI-driven brain signal interpretation is advancing our understanding of neurological disorders. Researchers can now detect subtle early signs of conditions like epilepsy, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's disease. By analyzing changes in brain activity patterns, AI tools are helping doctors diagnose illnesses earlier and develop more personalized treatment options.
The future of mind and machine.
Combining AI with neuroscience promises even greater insights ahead. As technology evolves, AI may help unlock more of the brain's mysteries, enable new treatments, and improve the connection between humans and machines. While challenges remain, the journey to interpret and interact with our minds is only just beginning.